Hello, I'm Creationist Kent, and this message is how megapopulations show us that evolution isn't happening. What is a megapopulation? A megapopulation is when there is more than 1 billion of the same type of plant or animal. Some would say that would be true of people. Yes, it would. There are billions and billions of people on the planet. It would also be true of rats, roaches, Johnson grass, crabgrass, and many others. Evolution stands on a series of unproven assumptions, one of which is that there is such a thing as a favorable mutation. There is no record of a favorable mutation ever occurring, but let us go forward with the assumption that such a thing does exist. Evolution teaches that over millions of years, plants and animals mutate into other types of plants and animals. The reason it takes millions of years is because there needs to be an adequate number of generations to overcome the improbability that a favorable mutation can take place. Evolution does not really require time. What evolution requires is a favorable mutation. The birth rate or reproduction process is what actually requires time. But what if those numbers were reversed? Instead of talking about a small population over a long period of time, what if we were talking about a large population over a short period of time? Sure, it might take Arctic penguins, which lay 1 egg a year, 10 million years to mutate into something else, but if it's just a matter of hatching eggs, wouldn't houseflies run those numbers every single year? Evolution runs into a very serious problem when we start discussing megapopulations, with birth rates capable of producing the numbers evolution claims it needs in order to take place. But then, evolution doesn't happen. If evolution were happening in our world today, nature would be a cornucopia of newly evolved, never discovered before plants and animals, but they are simply not there. There is no one out there discovering new plants and animals, not in the fishing industry, not in the timber industry, not in the pest control industry. So the message is clear. Megapopulations show us that evolution is not happening. I'm Creationist Kent, bringing you this message in less time than it takes to make a fossil.